In this video, we are going to see about Python programs. Program is finding the factorial of a given number. See, factorial means, for example, 3 factorial means we have to multiply 1 into 2 into 3, we get the answer. Likewise, 2 factorial means 1 into 2. So, we have to multiply from the first table to given number. So, multiply that. So first we are getting the input and it will be assigned to the variable num. So here example I have given number 3. So I value will be taken 1, 2, 3 one by one. F initialized to 1 and F equal to F star I means. So first initial value 1. 1 into I value is initially 1. So 1 into 1 1. And next as per the loop now I value is 2. F still 1 and F equal to 1 into 2 will get the answer 2. And next I value is 3. So if current value is 2, so 2 into 3 6. And then next the loop will be executed. Then finally enter the factor of the given number. 3 is 6. The next is printing the Fibonacci series. So for Fibonacci series, first you should get the input. Here I have given number 4. I store in the variable num, and f value will be f1 initialize 1, f2 initialize minus 1, and I values range of num is 4. So range function is always n minus 1. So 4 minus 1 3. And starting value here we didn't mention, so default starting value is 0. So I value 0, 1, 2, 3. So first I value is 0. Initially f1 is 1, f2 is minus 1. So now we are adding the together f1, f2 and assign to the variable f. So we get the answer 0. So it's printed 0. And next f2 equal to f1. So now f2 value becomes f1 value and f1 equal to f. So f1 equal to 0. F value is 0, so it will just f1. Now the I value is 1. So if we are adding this to f1, f2, we will get the answer 1. So now to enter 1. And f2 now, okay, f1 value will be assigned to f2. So f2 is present 1, 0. And f1 equal to f value lost f value is 1, so f1 is 1. Now we are adding together f1 f2, again we are getting 1 plus 0 1. So printing again the 1. And next I values begins 3. Before I assigned to 3, and changing the f2 equal to f1, so f2 equal to now 1 and f1 equal to f1 also now 1. I is 3. So adding together 1 plus 1, 2 and printing the year. So the next loop is start. See the result. So Fibonacci series terms, if you are giving 4 means the number of terms should come 4. And starting from 0, 0 next to 1. And if you are adding 0 plus 1, again we are getting 1. And 1 plus 1, we are adding that the 2. So Fibonacci series means initial value 0 and we are adding 1 with that, and the next upcoming values are added with the previous value, that is a Fibonacci series. And come with the greatest common divisor of two integers. So Here we are finding that greatest common division means this is a method. See here 4 and 6 is given. The 4 multiples is so 2 into 2 into 1 and 6 equal to 3 into 3 to 1. So common value between the 4 and 6 is 2 and 1. So the answer is we have to multiply the common, we have to take 1 and 2 twos we are taking 1 2 likewise 1. So 2 into 1 2, this is the answer. So how do we implement in this program? Let's see. So we need two values because we are going to find the common difference between the two values. So we need two values. X value is 4 and y value is 6, and the GCD, greatest common division, initially we assigned 1, and next we are checking if x modulus y, that means 4 modulus 6 equal to 0 means it will print the y, but here not modulus 0. So next k value will be taken. See k value starting value in a range operator 6 by 2, y value is 6, so 6 by 2 3. So starting value k value is 3 and ending value is 0. Okay, so it will be reduced to step value minus 1 1 1. So 3 minus 1 2 and 2 minus 1 1. 1 minus 1 1, it will get start. So initial x value 4 and y value 6 and k value is 3 and GCD value is 1 at present. So we are next checking if x value 4. So 4 modulus 3 is not a remainder 0. So condition is false. And next 6 modulus 3, that is true. But anyhow output come first because AND operator used. So in a case of AND operators, both condition must be true, then only output true. Okay, so this it will not go to the if statement inside. So next time the for loop will be executed. K value is now 2 and x4 y6 and GCD present 1 only. So now we are checking 4 modulus 2 remainder 0, so true. Likewise 6 modulus 2 remainder also true. So now both condition true, so output is true in if statement. So next it will go to the inner if statement and JCD equal to k. Now the k value is what? 2. So GCD value is 2 and it's break. So it just come out from the loop, it won't go back the loop. Next it's printed the common display of 4 and 6 is 2. And the next we are going to find the least common multiple of two integers. So 5 and 20 least means first we have to take that common divisor 5 and 1 and remaining numbers also means you have to multiply. This is a LCM. So for that we are going to see how to do in it program. So getting the two number, here I have taken 5 and 20 x value, y value respectively, and next I am checking x greater than y, that is 5 greater than 20 means it's a false. Okay, so else part will be executed. Now z value equal to y, so greatest y 20 will be assigned to the variable z. Next the while will be executed till the break statement reach, so it will be executed. So first so x initialize y 5, y is 20 and z is 20. 20 modulus of 5 remainder 0, so true. And next z value 20 modulus 20 again remainder 0, so both condition true, output is true. So next LCM equal to that z value will be assigned, so 20. So next statement is break, is just to come out from the loop. and printing the LCM value is 20. Next we are going to counting and displaying the how many vowels and consonant present in a given string. So first we are getting the string value and it is assigned to the variable s. So string value s is how are you? Question mark. So for I in s, so s values how are you? And it will be assigned one by one to the variable I. First H, next O, next W, next space, next A, next O, and then E, and then space, and then Y, O, U, question marks. Everything is considered as a character. So one by one it will be assigned to the variable I. And next, if statement inner for loop. So first H is assigned to I. So if H is alpha function is used to check whether the string is alphabet only contain the alphabets. If it contain alphabets means return true. Afterwards, it will go to the inner if statement. Then if it is a character means alphabet means it will be checked whether it is a small a or capital I. If it is present in this, then we are counting v equal to v plus 1, increasing the v value. Otherwise, apart from a, I, O, U, the remaining letters comes means c value will be increased, which indicates consonant. So c equal to c plus 1. So first h, so h is not in a, I, O, U, so it will increase the c value. And next O will be taken as per that this order. Next letter O. So in this inner if condition is true, so vowels will be increased. V equal to V 0 plus 1 it increase. So it will go like that till the end of the letter and finally printing the number of vowels 5 and consonants of 4. And next we are going to counting the how many uppercase and lowercase in the given string. So here the string is rose flower, CRFL or upper letter. So S value one by one letter will be assigned to I, and we are checking one by one letter. Is upper function means it will show that whether the letter is capital letter or not. If it is capital, return true. Is lower functions, if it is a lower letter, then it will return the true. So upper letter is upper return true, then U value will be increased by 1. If lower function is true, then L value is increased by 1. And next it's printed that uppercase and then lower case value will be printed.